Good morning, children. Today in this video we are going to start a new chapter in EVS. Chapter 10, Cleanliness and Health. Cleanliness means to keep ourselves neat and clean. Open page number 62 in your EVS book. All of us need to keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. Children, all of us want ourselves and our surroundings clean. We should keep our own self neat, clean and tidy, and we should also keep the places around us clean. Germs do not grow in clean places. Germs are those tiny organisms that causes disease, and germs grow in dirty places. So we should keep our surroundings clean because in clean places germs do not grow. This will keep us disease free and we will not fall sick. If we keep ourselves and the places around us clean, then we will be disease free and we will not fall sick. Cleanliness in the surroundings. Sweepers clean the public places and the roads daily. Sweepers are those persons who clean public places or roads. So sweepers daily cleans the public places and roads. But we also should keep our surroundings clean. But children, it is not only the responsibility of the sweeper to keep the public places or the roads clean. It is also our responsibility that we should keep our places where we are visiting, where we are living. We should keep those places clean. We can do the following to keep cleanliness. Here are some points which we can do or follow to keep our surroundings clean. Number 1. Do not throw waste anywhere. Always use a dustbin. Children, we should not throw any kind of waste like wrappers, papers, food things, anything, anywhere. We should use dustbin to throw waste. Number 2. Do not spit or urinate outside. Always use a toilet. We should spit or urinate inside a toilet only. Number 3. Do not throw wrappers out of the moving car on roads. We should not throw any kind of wrappers whenever we are moving from one place to another from any kind of vehicles. Collect them and throw in a dustbin later. Children, whenever you are planning to go somewhere by your own car, by your own vehicles, always keep a polythene bag or anything for collecting dry waste. Don't throw the wrappers and any papers outside the car anywhere. Collect them and when you reach your destination, throw them in the dustbin. Number 4. All the drains must be covered and cleaned regularly. Drains means nali. They should be covered and they should be cleaned regularly. Number 5. Polluted water of house should not be thrown outside. Throw it in a drain. Any household polluted water should not be thrown outside. We should throw it in a drain only. So children, these are some of the things that we can do to keep our surroundings clean. So, go through these rules and learn it.